Hi folks, so today we're going to be taking a look at this folding pen knife here. I got this from Amazon. It was £15. I will put a link in the description. So this is a Whitby knife. So let's take a look at it. So we've got a cutting blade on here, which is a 2.25 inch. So this is UK legal carry because it's just a folding knife with no lock on it. It's got a very nice strong spring on it. I actually prefer a strong spring just because it does help ever slightly prevent the blade coming back on your fingers. But the good thing with this knife is it's kind of got a semi finger chile, so the chile will come up and hit your fingers and there's no way that you can cut yourself. I mean, you can whack that blade as much as you want and you're not going to cut your fingers, so that's a good safety aspect of this knife as well, as it's not a locking blade because of UK laws. The blade stock is 3mm thick, so it's rather thick, heavy duty blade, really sturdy. The hinge on this, there's no play in it whatsoever side to side, so that's really nice. The overall finish is pretty good. I did actually sand this down ever so slightly with some wire wool and applied some bry wax to it to bring the colour of the wood out. And this is zebra wood. This is a rather nice piece with some nice lines going through it, which is really nice. Some of them are a bit more plain than this, I think, from some of the stock photos that I've seen of them. It does have a lanyard hole there, so that's handy. It's got hex screws, so you can adjust this one here to adjust the tension of the blade side to side and how tight the blade is, obviously. It's got really good spring on the back there, like I said. This one's really quite stiff, which I like. The only thing I did find with this is the nail nick on here. It was ramped, so whenever you put your finger in here to pull it out, your nail would instantly slip out. So I actually got my rotary tool and ground that top bit there flat, but unfortunately I did slip a little bit, and I don't know if you can see that. You probably can. It did slide out the side there, but I'm not really bothered. This is a working knife. I don't buy knives to collect, I buy them to use, so I'm not too bothered. It doesn't affect the cutting ability of the knife. But yeah, overall really nice. One thing I would say, the liners here, when I got it, they were slightly rough and they did rub on the inside of my fingers, so I did take a little bit of 240 grit sandpaper and a lollipop stick and just run it along the inside there, and now it's absolutely fine. So when you get this knife, it comes with I think it's called a Scandivex blade profile, or I think it might also be called a saber grind, I think. But yeah, so this is a really, stout knife for like carving, outdoor use. Really handy woodwork. Yeah, this will remove a lot of material very quickly because of the angle of the blade. So yeah, like I say, this did come with a Scandivex type blade profile, but I've actually changed that blade profile to a Scandinavian grind. So originally it would have looked like this here. This is a Scandivex. You've got the Scandi which goes down, and then there's a convex on the edge there. So you've got two bevels on it. Not a big fan of it, to be absolutely honest, that style of blade. So that's the reason why what I done was I made a filing guide up, and then I filed this by hand not too bad of a, I didn't do it too badly. Not perfect, I didn't bother polishing the blade up, I can't be bothered polishing it up, it's still razor sharp anyway. But yeah, this is a really nice sturdy knife. In comparison to like a Swiss Army knife blade, you can obviously see the difference in thickness there. And as far as I know, I mean, I've been looking for a knife like this for quite some time. As far as I know, these are like the only cheap knives with a Scandinavian grind blade. The only other one that I know of is a TBS boar folding knife, which is also a UK legal carry knife, but that's like £70 or something at the moment, so very expensive. But yeah, this for £15 overall. Yeah, it seems to be a very durable knife. I've been using this for about 3 weeks. I'm not a bushcrafter or anything, but I do like to have a sturdy knife because I work outdoors a lot, and yeah, this really cuts really well. Pretty impressed with it. The steel on this just says stainless. I did look on the website, I really couldn't find anything more than that. I did email Whitby Knives, but I didn't get a email back, so I honestly don't know what type of steel it is, but I would say it's probably a 440 stainless. It holds quite a good edge anyway with this Scandinavian grind what I've put on here. Overall, I'm pretty pleased with it. I'm probably going to buy another one. I sent a picture of this after I'd done the Scandinavian grind on this to Knife Collector on Instagram, and he wants me to make him one like this, so he said he'll pay me £40 for it, so I might make some money out of it. But yeah, for the money, really nice knife. Fit and finish for the price I think is really good, to be absolutely honest. Yeah, it's really nice, just like it. They do one with G10 scales on it as well, and I think they've got some with resin handles. I'll put links to them down in the description, go take a look at them. But yeah, overall really nice knife. Please comment, tell me what you think, please subscribe, please give the video a thumbs up, would be much appreciated. Okay, take care everybody, and I'll see you next time. Bye.